Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica S espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the grinder, this grinder that you see right here. This grinder was definitely to get. We had to actually talk to DeLonghi for them to send us this specific grinder. Once we got the grinder, we had to open up the whole machine, removing these panels on the side. This slide out. The one on the back, there's these screws. You just basically take it out completely. From there, you have these two little screws that you need to remove, and then you need to remove these two as well, because otherwise you will not be able to slide this cover all the way up. Once you slide that cover all the way up, there is a hopper cover connected to this grinder. There is a screw right here that you need to remove in order for you to remove the grinder and remove the hopper cover. We clean everything in there, put the new grinder inside the machine, and we calibrated that grinder to the machine as well. We did an encoder reset. We did a reset entire of the machine, as it needs to. You need to do a reset whenever you do a grind replacement. So we did that. We calibrated to the machine, and now the machine is being pouring out 1 ounce, 1.5 ounce shots. Really good crema, excellent pucks. It's been doing great. So starting with 1 shot espresso, we're gonna be testing it out together. As you can hear, the grinder is definitely grinder on the back. I already did a bunch of coffee through this machine. You can see one of my shots over there, and that whole picture over here will be as well full of coffee. So we've been definitely adjusting this grinder and making sure it's working inside the machine. Right now the machine is doing pre-infusion, and it's going to do extraction right about now, where it's going to fill all the way to 1.5 ounces. We're gonna do that again just to double check. Making sure we have enough beans. Again, pre-infusion, and now extraction. Nice steady flow coming out of the spouts, and excellent color. And like I say, 1.5 ounces of coffee. Great shot of espresso. Excellent crema. Now we're gonna be using the hot water of the machine, and as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out through the one. Excellent temperature as well, and really great flow. Now we're testing the steamer. The machine needs to get up to temperature so we can see the steamer functioning. And once it gets to that temperature, the water pump will start pulsing water from here into the thermoblock, right into the steamer assembly, where it's going to show us the steam. And as you can see, there's nice steady steam coming out through the one. Excellent pressure. It's a bit hot today, so we will not be able to see it completely as other days, but it's a nice strong steam. Really great temperature as well. Working excellent. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica S working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.